So as an instructor, if I want to edit my grading formulas, I can go to my Your Course or Build Your Course, and then I want to go to grades. So once I'm at grades, we start with the Enter Grades area. There are a couple columns that have already been added for you, but the first thing you want to do in terms of initial setup and choosing sort of your grading formula is to go to the Setup Wizard. So I'd recommend sort of walking through that as an instructor to see what that would be like. If I click Start, it's going to let me choose if I wanted a weighted system or a points-based system or a formula system. So I'm just going to leave it at points. Then it's going to ask me about how I'd like my final grade calculated. I can choose my settings there. And then how do I want to treat ungraded items? Hit continue. And then I can choose my grading scheme. So do I want to keep it sort of a percentage or points, or do I want to do letter grades, etc.? So you can kind of choose there. And then how many decimal places do I want to use? And then what all do I want to display for my end user, so I can really look through and decide what I want. And then it just gives me a summary of how everything was set up. Now, if I change my mind on any of those items, I can re-go through the Setup Wizard and sort of change my options there. But specifically for formulas and things like that, if I go to Manage Grades, this is really where I can have my settings. I can set up some categories if I want. I only have a couple here to choose from, but I'm just going to select them, and then I'm just going to go to Bulk Edit. Now, this is a good way, either for a percentage-based system or a points-based system, to go ahead and change multiple items at once. So let's say I've changed my mind and want each of those to be worth 5 points. I can easily just do it from the same screen and then hit Save. So that's all there is to it, to sort of do that bulk editing of the gradebook.